So this is a quick trade breakdown of how I caught 4R on gold traded London session. So looking at the 4-hourly time frame, gold has been absolutely bullish. Then price dumped. This high failed to break and price shifted and broke structure here to the downside. But at the same time, price took this as liquidity and tapped into this level of demand on the daily time frame. Price did that and shifted structure to the upside once again to like broke structure and reacted off of this demand zone. Price also changed character with this high. Boom. And price pulled back into this level of demand right here. And that makes this high weak. This high is now a weak structure. And it makes sense if price takes out this as liquidity and taps into this level of imbalance to see some bearish reaction to the downside to probably induce this trendline liquidity or whatever. Okay. So looking at this leg, this is a high. This is a low that led to this high. Boom, break of structure, price. You can also call this a change of character and say that price is pulling back into something around this zone that has filled this imbalance and broke structure on the hourly time frame. So the bullish move to take out this high has already 70%, 80% of it has already happened. And you're not sure if this high will get taken or if this low is now weak for price to be change of character, pullback to make a lower low. If you go on M5, so I can't buy from externally. From external structure, I can't buy because I'm at the middle. But if you look at H1, price has been breaking structure to the upside. So this is the most recent structure. This is high right here and this low right here, because this low is the last low that led to this high that caused this break of structure. Price pulled back, and on the 1 hourly you can see that there's a demand zone right here. There's a level of demand, this demand zone. Okay, and price took out Asian low. This is the low of Asia. Price took it out as liquidity. Price induced that, and there will be a lot of SMC traders, 95% of traders probably entering from this other block, this demand zone, because it has liquidity, it has structure, and almost everyone will be loading in on this other block, 100%. It has taken out liquidity, it has liquidity above it, it has led to a break of structure, it's tapping London open. Asian low is getting induced. Everyone is taking trades off this other block. Well, I was waiting. If you go on M5 right now, price came in, gave false reactions, rejection, enticed buyers, and then induced them. And I called this the manipulation of the day. Boom. I scaled down on M1, and this, okay, it was 8 a.m. 1 second, 8 a.m. London time, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Boom. So I was looking for an entry. Now I have direction, I have liquidity, I know exactly what I want to do, but where can I enter from? You need an inducement that gives you, that protects your stop loss. You can't just enter off of something stupid If not, you get taken out and the move happens without you. So you need to look for an inducement that protects you from, that makes it be a structure. Your stop loss should be below something reasonable, where if it gets taken out, it means you're wrong. You're not just putting it there because you want it to be there. So I saw this move to the upside, and all this move, I called it was a manipulation. It was inviting buyers, early buyers, and this impulsive move to the downside invited breakout traders to sell. Impulsive move to the downside took out all this early buyers, and I saw this level of imbalance getting filled somewhere around here. Boom. Okay, and I waited for an internal break of structure to the upside. This low led to this high that caused this break of structure, and I called this a liquidity also to get induced, and price will tap into this extreme level of 1 minute demand. Boom. Wick to wick. And I placed my entry at the touch of this wick, and my stop loss was, so I always give breathing room, because you don't want to, I'm not trying to be perfect. If you're trying to be perfect, then you're going to suffer, because it's not easy to be perfect in these markets. I think it's almost impossible. So I need to give some breathing room. Okay, and my stop loss was around this zone, because random things happen. It's a lot of chaos and all that, so you need to give some breathing room. Don't put yourself in a situation where a lot of things have to go right for you to be profitable. You need to, you know what I'm saying? So I took profit at 1 to 4. This is constant. I never change this. If it's going to $10,000, let it. I take profit at 1 to 4 consistently, and with that, you can easily be profitable with 4R. Be profitable with a 50% win rate, 55% win rate, and you're not putting yourself in a situation where you have to be right to the T for you to make money. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.